in Bouncyville. Here comes the rescue squad. Hop, hop, hop on the rescue squad today. Hop, hop, hop. Let's save the day. Here comes the fire truck, driving fast. Nee-Naw, Nee-Naw. Big red ladder and a long black hose, spraying splashy water wherever it goes. Splash, splash. Hop, hop, hop on the rescue squad today. Here comes the police car, zoom so quick. Bright blue lights and spinning wheels, keeping everyone safe and real. Zoom, zoom. Hop, hop, hop on the rescue squad today. Here comes the ambulance on the street, helping little friends who bumped a knee. Feeling all better. 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, fixed. Hop, hop, hop on the rescue squad today. Hop, hop, hop. Hip, hip, hooray! Bouncyville is safe and sound. Great job, rescue squad. See you on the next adventure.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun.